Welcome to our channel Base for Life, where we explore the wonders of science, the mysteries of history. Our mission is to provide high-quality education to people of all ages and backgrounds, and we believe that everyone has the potential to learn and grow. Our team expert presenters are passionate about their fields and are eager to share their knowledge and insights with you. We also bring you the latest news and analysis on current affairs, keeping you informed about the events that shape our world. Our commitment to accessibility means that all of our videos are available with subtitles, making it easier for learners with hearing impairments, as well as those who prefer to read along, to follow along with our content. We leverage the latest technology and innovative teaching methods to make our content engaging and accessible to learners of all ages and abilities. By watching our videos, you can improve your knowledge, enhance your skills, and achieve your goals. So whether you're interested in exploring the mysteries of science, delving into the past to better understand the present, or staying up to date on the latest news and events, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey of discovery and personal growth. Welcome to our channel, Base for Life.
Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for new updates.